Hi, I'm Mike Fiffick, and I'm here with Matt Bowl, and we are attorneys here at Fiffick Law Group. And we're here to talk to you if you're considering filing a debt, using a debt consolidation company if you're in some financial crisis. And our suggestion to you is that before you make a decision to use a debt consolidating company, that you should consider filing a bankruptcy as well. So Matt, when you talk to folks who are considering debt consolidation instead of bankruptcy, why do they think that a debt consolidator is better?
Sure. Many of our clients feel that there's a negative stigma towards bankruptcies. They use it as a last resort, and they feel that their credit would be substantially impaired by filing a bankruptcy rather than attempting to just resolve their debts on their own.
Yeah, I would think that for most folks that are in this situation, whatever damage that has happened to their credit has already happened, and that a bankruptcy isn't going to make it any worse.
Yes, I agree. We would see that pretty frequently, and actually after a bankruptcy is concluded, we see credit improving much quicker than with a debt consolidation company.
So if you were to tell somebody that they should consider filing bankruptcy, what are the main reasons why a bankruptcy might be better than a debt consolidation?
Sure. Generally, a bankruptcy would be a better option than a debt consolidation company because it would be cheaper, it would be quicker, you'd be able to build your credit faster, and you're provided legal protections from lawsuits and other judgments.
So why is it cheaper?
It's cheaper because when you file for a bankruptcy, all you're doing is paying your attorney's fees and costs, which is often much less than even paying off a single debt.
Okay, and you said it's quicker as well?
Yes, it usually is much quicker. Oftentimes the debt consolidation companies can last 4 to 5 years, depending on the amount of debts you have and how cooperative the creditors are. The typical Chapter 7 bankruptcy is only going to take 4 to 6 months, and you would receive your discharge. Chapter 13 bankruptcy may take a little bit longer, but you are able to continue to build your credit and receive your protections during the course of your payment plan.
And a debt consolidation program is dependent on the cooperation that you get from the credit card companies, whereas if you filed a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, which is a repayment type bankruptcy plan, you can force the plan on the creditors whether they like it or not. Is that right?
Absolutely. In a debt consolidation situation, there are no guarantees. The plan would provide you with certain guarantees in a structured payment plan, a guaranteed payment plan to have your debts discharged at the end.
And I think you also mentioned that the person filing a bankruptcy would get protection from lawsuits and somebody using debt consolidation would not. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yes, many times we receive calls about various types of lawsuits that our clients are involved in, whether they are a credit card, being sued by a credit card company, being sued by their bank in a mortgage foreclosure, or being sued by a local taxing body for property taxes. The bankruptcy laws provide protections for all of those. It's called a stay, an automatic stay, and those state court cases can't move forward while the bankruptcy is pending. And that's not the case in a debt consolidation. There are no protections provided under the law, and any of your creditors can move forward at any time with sales of your property or execution on judgments.
I would imagine if you're using a debt consolidator and one of your creditors sues you, that could make that whole plan go haywire. Whereas if a bankruptcy happened, they can't sue you. Isn't that right?
It is correct, and you would also have to pay not only the debt consolidation company, but now you're going to have to hire an attorney to defend yourself in the lawsuit that is brought against you, costing you even more money.
So bankruptcies versus debt consolidation, quicker, cheaper, and you get protection from lawsuits and judgments with your creditors. Is that all right?
Yes, that's correct, and that's why we're recommending that our clients at least strongly consider bankruptcy before they agree to a debt consolidation company payment plan.
All right. Well, thanks, Matt, for helping us with that. And if you have any questions at all about bankruptcy, please call us and ask for Matt Bowl. Thank you.
Thank you.